Hey, welcome back to the channel. Another episode of RC Crawler Talk. And back on the bench is the Axial Capra, aka Mega Goat, aka Mini Goat. Today, on this episode, we're going to recap what we did last week. Last week we swapped out the Tekin 45 turn heavy duty motor. We're just a little experiment with the Holmes Hobbies Crawlmaster Sport 540 13 turn. Good motor, little too much wheel speed and not quite enough low end for this high geared rig. Also last week we were running Crawler Innovations dual stage foams, firm centers, medium outer in the rear, and then firm center, soft outers in the front. So we opted to swap those things out. This week I've put in the Team Brood Racing Apocalypse brushed motor. It's also a very torquey motor. It's equivalent to a 35 turn. So it's a little bit faster than the 45 turn. And it's a lot slower than the 13 turn. So we also swapped in the single stage soft foams to check these tires out and see how they did on the rocks. Took it out on my test course and did a couple lines with it, see how she does. And honestly, if you watched last week's video with the Crawlmaster Sport, it seemed like it just wouldn't start slow enough. Put this Team Brood motor in it, and man, oh man, what a huge difference. It's a lot slower, smoother startup, and it's got plenty of torque, so I think it's going to do nicely. Capra's coming along. Still got some tuning to do, maybe change out the springs still like we said last week, and yeah, we'll go from there. Still kind of playing with the rear steer. Still not 100% sold on the tires. We're still giving them a shot. These are not the soft compound. They're the regular compound. I don't know what they are. Red, green, blue, purple, whatever it is. Check that out on Ot6 Racing website. Other than that, the truck did good. It's still coming along. My test course, kind of a high grip out there, so we'll see what happens once I get it out to a comp. Probably won't be until end of July, middle of August, when I actually be able to get out and run it and see how it does running some cones. And we'll go from there. All right, well, hey, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the video and the little test run on the rocks. And we'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy tuning in this hobby. This hobby is all about fun. It's all about playing, getting outside, getting some fresh air, and you know, got to be careful. Watch out, because this hobby will turn to a lifestyle real quick. All right, take it easy, guys.